I record from here. Okay, so this new trader, he's actually paying a lot. He have a very terrible lesson that because he has lost 10,000, and I don't know how to help him because with $996, definitely he can only trade 0.1 lot, and even he win back these 1,000 pips, he's going only to cover 1,000. He's never be able to recover this 10,000. Yeah, it will take a lot of hard work for him to do that. Okay, so yeah, that is how risk that if you don't have a trading plan. Okay, cool. So yeah, we talk about the trading plan. So this is a true story I want to share with everyone. So just don't stop trading randomly. Okay, stop trading randomly. Okay, can you guys promise to me stop trading randomly, okay, or blindly, just by gut feel? Okay, don't trade by gut feel. Okay, you think you got luck, right? Everyone's think that yeah, I may got luck. I buy gold at 1,003. I just need to I buy one lot. I just need to take $10 profit. 1,310. I will take profit and I can win 1,000, right? This, yeah, people trade. I mean, this guy entered because of this kind of we can see greedy, right? He's greedy. He wants to win this 1,000, but in the end he's paying for 10,000. Okay, so don't trading randomly, okay, randomly or blindly. Okay, you must have a trading plan. You must know what are you doing. Okay, Ken? Okay, so today now let's come back to the euro. The euro just test the previous structure here. You can see 1.1216. This is a high that is of the this pink bar. Okay, this pink bar. So euro has okay. What does this bar tell us? This bar tells us there's a very huge pressure, right? Rejection. Okay, rejection is 1.1210. Okay, so this one told us that the euro is going to down, and now it actually breaks. The euro have already breaks the support of 1.1183. Okay, euro has breaks the support. So immediately, right now, what you can do? You can short the pullback, right? If euro comes back to 1.1183 or 80, you can short, right? You can short, right? Can you short? Yes, I can, because this is a top. This is a support here. Okay, support here, and there is support someone from this candle, and even for this candle, for these two candle support, and this breakdown. Okay, it actually breaks down, right? After it breaks down, when the pullback, you can see right now the wick already tell us that there are sellers coming in. Okay, so if the euro goes back to 1.1183, you can short for the euro. Okay, and let's look at the daily chart. Daily chart, what trend is for the euro? Still down, right? Still down. Daily chart still a downtrend. The high is getting lower and lower, right? Lower high. This is high. This is a lower high, and this is a lower high again. Breaks down, lower low, makes a lower high, and today you can see here, it never touched, goes back to this high. So euro is still a downtrend. So downtrend you don't buy, downtrend you only want to sell, unless it actually breaks out 1.1240, which is my stop loss for my euro short trade. Okay, yep. Watch the daily chart is still bullish. Okay, if you think it's bullish, maybe you are looking at you are looking from here, from this point. Okay, from this point, I can say that yeah, it looks like still bullish because still in the trend line, still have an uptrend, right? But we're talking about the recent 30 days. Okay, yeah, it's from May 3rd to here, June 3rd. It's almost 1 month, 30 days. So this 30 days tells us this is downtrend. It's downtrend. Okay. For people, I mean, I don't know what happened to your browser. Maybe you can consider to yeah, you just follow my Facebook, follow my the Facebook tutorial. There's a tutorial for how to install YY. Okay, because you need to install it. You can install a desktop version and join the YY. Okay. Yeah, okay, I talk about Aussie yen later. Okay, so for euro, yeah, just look at this trend line. Okay, this trend line, if it is break, if it is going down, okay, if euro makes another lower low, breaks 1.1097, it makes lower low, the euro will actually for more to maybe to even to 1.09. Okay, so this is very critical area, okay. Yeah, DXY have some problem because DXY what I'm thinking about is they are going to hit this 0.618%. Yep, 97.23. So DXY still have some room to go up, still have some room, okay, which is the previously this neckline, this line here. Okay, so for the euro, I think it's bearish, and I already short at 1.12, and I think that it's going down. Okay. Okay, let's talk about sterling. Okay, in the last session last week, I mentioned that sterling we have this little wedge, and people we do that sterling we earn almost 150 pips for this wedge to break, and it comes down, right? For this wedge, I think a lot of people trade this short. Okay, yeah, this is sterling short at 1.4710. It comes to 1.4590. Okay, and complete this AB equals to CD. There's ABCD pattern here. Okay, we have AB move and we have a measured CD move, and you can take profit at this D point, and you can learn again. If you buy it, you actually have made another 100 pips. Okay, then the sterling just come to test the previous high again. This is a test level. Okay, it tests this level. Okay, a pink bar here, test this level, didn't break up, so you can short again. You can short here. You just need to stop loss at maybe 1.4750. That will do. If you short here and you see the move is already almost 300 pips for 1.47 to 1.44. Yeah, it's 300 pips. Okay, and now the sterling is sideways, or is have some correction. There's a correction here, right? Correction. Okay, so what typically for this is called trend continuation trade. So after it making the channel, okay, you're channeling up, channeling down. Okay, if someday it breaks down, okay, you can sell the breaks down. You can sell the break down again, because this is a trend continuation. Okay, just like here, something like here. Okay, it is a huge move downside. Okay, breaks the structure, have a correction here, right? And it breaks down, you can just sell the breakdown. Okay, same thing happened to here, but this one is horizontal, is actually a flat. Okay, after it breaks down the consolidation area, you can still short. Okay, can still short. Okay, so now the sterling is coming up. Okay, and I want to short here. If sterling comes up, let's take about 4 hours. Yeah, definitely I want to short here. Actually, the order is already in. Okay, just look at this level, 1.4460. 1.4460 previously, this is a support, right? This is support. Here also support nicely, but breaks down. And look at these bars. One time, two time, second time, third time, cannot break. So what does this tell us? It tells that it's rejection, right? And now the support becomes a resistance. Correct. So I can sell here. I can sell here. I can add my position. Okay, I have already a short position from 1.47 somewhere here. I earned 200 pips. I close half, and now it pullbacks again. I can short it again. I just short it again. Okay, where does my stop loss go? Stop loss very easy to find, above this pin, right? Because we don't want to see a bullish move breaks a new high. We don't want to see a new high, right? I only want to see almost maximum equal high. Then I can short, and then at least you should actually test the previous low. Okay, yeah, so this is your stop loss, 1.45 maybe 20. You just put this stop loss and you can just short. But before you short, you need to calculate your loss size. Okay, say for example you want to short now. Okay, let me just demonstrate a trading plan to recording. Okay, so here let me just demonstrate a trade plan. Okay, so for a trade plan, okay, here I'm not talking about the reasons that you want to short. Okay, for a trade plan there are three elements. Okay, elements you need to figure it out. Okay, first, entry level. Okay, entry level. Where is your entry? Do you wait or do you buy the market? Okay, you can choose to market or limit. Okay, think this question. Okay, second, where's your stop loss? Until when I will admit that I'm wrong. I don't want to trade with I don't want this trade to go anymore. Okay, so this question, until when, until which price, which level I will admit that I'm wrong. Okay, third, profit level. Okay, profit level. For the risk I take, how much is my return? Right? So this is three questions that you need to consider. No matter be it a swing trade or be it a intraday trade or scalp trade. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So every single trading plan you need to at least to think about these three questions. Okay. You want to buy market, you want to sell market, you want to buy limit, you want to sell limit. Okay, you buy it now or you wait. Okay, stop loss level. Whereas, okay, for the sterling, if I want to short here, I will put my stop loss 1.4515. Okay, so if the sterling goes up and breaks this level, this pin, I will no longer being bearish for sterling. I will exit my trade immediately, and maybe I will wait for this level to short again. Okay, but I won't let my trade just to keep losing money until this one here. No, that is not correct. Okay, so you need to know a point, a level that you know that I'm wrong. Okay, then for this kind of risk, what is my risk? My risk is here, right? 1.4452 to 1.4115. That is 4452 to 4512, let's say. Okay, which is 60 pips. Okay, so I'm risking 60 pips. So minimum I need to get a return of how much? How many pips I need to win for 60 pips? Risk, how much I should take for reward? Minimum, yeah, minimum 120 pips, right? Yeah. So what is the level? Just calculate. So 1.4450 minus 120. What is the level? Just use a calculator to do that. Okay, it is easy. Right, 1.4450. Yeah, 1.4450 minus 120 pips. So minus 0.1.4, yeah, 0.012. Okay, is 1.433. Okay, 1.433. Okay. Okay, so 1.433 is here. So my target is here. And is this reasonable, guys? Do you think 1.4330 is reasonable? Do you think it is reasonable? My target here, look left. Yeah, it is reasonable. Previously, just sit nicely at the support, right? So probably price come to this level, it will have a bounce, so I can take profit. Okay. Okay. Get it? Do you get this trading plan? So I can choose to sell sterling now, stop loss 1.4515, limit profit at 1.4330. okay, and I'm taking a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, and I have a reason because it is it's a breaking out and retest, right? Yeah, so yeah, very simple. This is how you find a trade. Okay, let me cover something for gold. Okay, for gold, I have a long position previously at 1,200 for this ABCD move. Okay, there's ABCD pattern for the gold. Okay, okay, yeah, this ABCD, it actually it is very successful. Okay, double pin bar or triple pin bar test this level and it goes up. So we bought at 1,002. We take profit at 1212 or 1211. Yeah, 1213. Yeah, that is my first level, my first target. Yeah, you can look at the chart here. This is my first target, 1213. Okay, it hits, and it's almost come to just left 10 pips for the second target to be hit. Okay, but it doesn't matter. So guess, okay, let me ask a question. Do you think I still have another position of 1,002, guys? What happened to my entry of this 1,002? Do you think I still have it? Right, I still have, because that is my plan. I plan to take half position of here, 1213. I plan, this is my plan, right? So I take profit happily. I earn 130 pips. Okay, imagine I bought one lot and I take 0.5 lot, which is half. I earned 0.5 times so per pips is probably $5. So $5 times 130, I earn $650, right? So that's $650 because my profit. And my rest position, I don't care whether the gold goes down or goes up. I don't care because I have already made the stop loss to break even. Just here, 1201. My rest position have a stop loss break even as 1201. So maximum, the worst situation is my other half, this 0.1 lot, 0.5 lot will only earn 10 pips, which is $50. But still a winner, right? I won't lose money. I won't be worried about my long position here. Correct? I still have half, and right now still earning for almost 100 pips. That's good, right? And I just set my target here. My target here, 1221. Okay, so if gold goes up to 1221, this half position will be closed. And this is first winner and this is second winner. Okay, I still have half. Okay, and for intraday trade, yeah, I can choose to close all position, or I can choose to leave another a last of 0.1 lot as something to following the trend. If gold really breaks up, really have a very strong bullish candle, I can choose to keep a 0.1 lot to following the trend. That's okay. Okay, but the target is set for you to take profit. Okay, if you never take profit, all the money is just paper. It's just paper win or paper profit. It never goes to your account. Goes to your increase your balance. Okay, yeah. Okay, so here let me just doing some giving you some tips of what is how do you do intraday trade. Okay, so for intraday trades, okay, use two time frame. Okay, two time frame. First, okay, use 1 hour to determine trend. Okay, secondly, use 30 minutes or 15 minutes to find the entry. Okay, just this two time frame. Okay, say for example now, okay, I'm looking at 1 hour chart. Okay, 1 hour chart, and I'm looking here. So gold definitely now it is sideways, right? Gold is sideways, right? From 1,200 to 1,220. Gold is not making a higher high, and neither does it make a lower low. Okay, so 1 hour gives me this idea that the trend is sideways. Do you agree? Do you agree? Now gold is sideways. It is not going to. It's not making a higher high and not to making lower low. So 1 hour, I know that the trend for the recent 1 day or 2 days, okay, is just sideways. Okay, did not break 1220 to make a higher high. Did not go, break down 1002 to make a lower low. Okay, so it's sideways. Okay, so I know that sideways, right? Sideways. Okay, so for sideways, sideways. Okay, which means range. Okay, range is the best scenario that you can doing scalping. Okay, so I go back to 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes chart. Okay, I know that the important resistance is here, the major support is here. Okay, there is one minor support here. You can see here the price bounce from 1205, right? And you measure again. Now what is the price level? Is in the up, in the middle, or in the up, or in the down? Okay, you can divide this space by dividing into three level. Okay, so if the price, you know that firstly you know that it is a range, it is a ranging market. Okay, ranging market. So for range market, for sideways, okay, if the price is at the upside, the higher side, what you are thinking? You are thinking about to short. Okay, to short when the price is high. When the price is here at the lower part of the box, okay, lower this bottom part, you can actually consider to long, to buy. Okay, right? What happened to the middle? What happened to the middle? Guess, guys, guess it. If the price right now, you can see the price is sitting in the middle. Yeah, don't trade, right? Because I know that it may goes up and it may goes down. So if I buy, I may lose. I short, I also maybe lose, right? So I need to have a comfortable entry price. Okay, so I'm waiting for gold to test 1204, 1205 again, and I just put my stop loss here. Okay, so if gold really comes back to 1205, right? Gold falls to 1205. Okay, I know that there is a support, and I know that the trend is sideways, right? So I can do that. Okay, at this point, guys, the risk reward ratio makes sense, right? This is my risk, and this may be my return, right? Sideways, right? Up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, so in intraday trades, okay, the best opportunities you can actually find is when the market is doing sideways, but the range is not too narrow, not like only 10 pips. If 10 pips, that is too narrow. Okay, here from 1206 to 1220, you have 140 pips. So even I don't need to take it all the way to here, even to back to the middle, my risk reward ratio is still 1 to 3 or 1 to 2, and that is satisfied. You can take the trade. Okay, so and if price goes up to higher price, you can choose to short, right? You can short, and my first target is the midline. The second target will be the bottom line. Okay, high, yeah. So for intraday trades, if the trend is sideways, you can consider to that. Okay, pay attention to the support and resistance. Don't trade in the middle. Okay, you only trade at the bottom or you trade at the top. Understand? Understand, right? Okay. Yeah, and pay attention. Always pay attention to price action. Okay. For example, yesterday, last night, there is a buying opportunities. For gold. Okay. There is a buying opportunity for gold because I use Fibonacci to determine that there is an important support level at 1207.50. Guys, do you see that? Yeah. And what we have we have a pink bar, right? We have a very bullish pink bar. The tail is so long and it actually did not close below 1207. Makes that, oh yeah, this still support, still hold the level. So the second candle you can buy. You can buy at the second time to retest 12075. Stop loss below the pin, right? Stop loss below the pin. Just put here, and this is your risk. What is the reward? It's almost 4 times, right? You are only risking $2, but you getting $10. It's almost 1 to 5, and that is for the intraday. It's super good, right? It's good, right? Intraday with just waiting maybe 6 hours or 8 hours, it goes up and earn $10. And for $10, it's 1 to 5. And if you trade one lot, you earn 1,000. If you trade 0.5, you earn 500. Okay, and your risk only $2, which means even you trade one lot, you only lose $200. So if your account size is 10,000, 2% is 200. Yeah, you can just buy one lot here. Easy. Okay, right now, so you can see now the gold is coming down again, right? Gold is coming down again, and you know that this is yesterday's low. Yesterday's low. This is yesterday's high. This is today's high. It's coming down to the lower part of the range market again. So get ready. Get ready when gold touch here. Test it for the second time. If cannot break, you can buy. Right? Simple buy here, and maybe you have another 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 risk reward. Yep, there is a potential garlic pattern. Yep, there is a garlic pattern here, which looks something like this. Okay, this garlic told me that the best buying opportunity may be 1,202, somewhere here. This is garlic pattern. It's a harmonic pattern. Okay, so but for the range market, you can still to buy at 1,025 because nobody knows that whether the support is going to work or not. Okay, but if the price did break the B, you don't buy. You wait for the garlic pattern. Okay, yeah, good. That is a good spot for the let's say who is, yeah, PD Tang, right? Yeah, nice spot. Okay, how do you define D? Yeah, you can just go to any website. You can actually to Google it for the garlic pattern formation, but there are a lot of many different definition of garlic pattern. Some are using 0.786, but that may not be a very good entry point. Some people will just use 0.786. Okay, someone maybe use another like they're using the inverse calculation of this BC leg. Yeah, maybe they're using 1.27 or 1.618. It all happens. Yeah, so but in my course I will teach you how to calculate the D point efficiently and correctly. Okay, I have 3 methods to calculate the D point. Okay, 3 methods, not only one, not only 0.786, not only the inverse Fibonacci extension, but there are some other tools to help you to determine for a good, valid, godly entry. Okay, let's talk about oil. If you joined my webinar yesterday, I have a Chinese webinar. Okay, although I'm speaking in Chinese, but I mean, for join the charts, it's actually the same. Okay, so oil give us a very good shorting opportunity here because there is a bearish garlic and there is a ABCD move. Okay, ABCD move. Okay, ABCD move. So what we can do is we short oil at 50, somewhere here, 50.06. This is the short entry. Okay, and then it actually falls 200 pips, right? 50 to 47, yeah, 220 pips. And after it reach here, it have another bat pattern. Okay, this is called bat pattern. Okay, the bat pattern is sharing the same point of the previous bearish garlic pattern. So this is what I call is a combination. Okay, is a combination of harmonic patterns. This green pattern works, so the price fall, and it falls until this red pattern to be completed, and the price going up. Okay, so I first the short position gives me a 220 pips win, and then my long position here 47.90, I earn to 49.50, so I earn almost another 160 pips. Okay, and now it is good time to short the oil again, because it actually there is a 2618 trade. Okay, the 49.24 is the level I want to short oil again. Looks here, there is a Libra pattern. Okay, it's like a Libra, okay. We have a left trade, we have the base, and we have another right trade, so we can short here and you can win another 100 pips. That is intraday move, intraday 100 pips. Very nice. Okay, yes, you can study my course online, and you can study my course. I will just send you all the videos. Okay, I will just send you all the videos that I teach for my class. Okay, yeah, so it is good. And now, okay, using by applying what I teach you just now, we can see that oil 1 hour chart, what is the trend? Sideways, right? Not making lower low, not making higher high. Okay, it's sideways. Okay, so I can assume that, okay, here 49.23 is a resistance, 47.73 is a support, and I go back to 15 minutes. Guys, look here, is the price, is this location, this level mid, in the middle, in the bottom, or in the up? Can you tell me? If you divide by this into 3 part, is like in the, yeah, it's in the middle, right? But just now the price did comes to the bottom, right? And we see a nice price action, right? And what did it go? It actually tests this structure. Okay, so this structure holds, meaning that you can actually long oil now. You can buy oil, right? Very good price action. Where does stop loss go? Stop loss here, below 47.9050. I don't want to lose until here, because this bar, this bullish bar, this is reversal pattern, right? Is actually one big bearish bar followed by another 2 bar, almost covered the previous, the origin of the bearish bar. So my stop loss just maybe 5 pips to 47.85. That is fine. I buy it now. This is my risk. This is my risk. Where's my target? My target, I look at it here. Somewhere here. Right? 48.87 to this ping. To here, I will close. And maybe I can short again. Yeah? Simple. Sideways, just use it sideways. Okay, and here, yeah, you just wait. Oh my goodness, what happened to this? Suddenly, yeah, I mean, if you buy just now, you already earned. I don't buy because I'm teaching here. I don't have a finger to buy. Yeah, but for someone who bought at 48.30 already have 30 pips. Yeah, it's going to hit the target. It's going to hit here, 48.88. It's going to hit that level. The EIA, okay, the EIA is come up. Okay, cool. So for intraday, it's still it's quite simple. You just join the lines in 1 hour chart. You find the trend. If trend is down, like sterling, okay, sterling definitely trend is down, right? Trend is down. It's making lower low, and making lower high. So trend is down. I'm waiting to sell only. I don't want to buy. I'm only waiting for the price to go up, to be more as close to 1.4507. Better. If it goes up here but cannot break this line, I will just short here. Okay, for this is a bearish trend. So bearish trend, you just concentrate on shorting. Okay, for bullish trend, you concentrate on buying. For sideways, you can do both. Okay. Yeah, I think today is yeah, and look, where does the price go? It actually goes to test this place. So to here, you can already take some profit, yeah, because you see here price support. This is a double top, breakdown, goes back again, retest the neckline, yeah. So you can take profits here, and you earn 30 pips. Okay, so yeah, now it's almost 1 hour. After 1 hour, maybe I will just I talk about Aussie yen. This is the last pair I'm going to talk in today's webinar. Okay, Aussie yen previously it breaks the triangle. Okay, and we have a long position, earns about 200 pips. Definitely you need to take some profit when it goes to the critical level 80.65, right? You can see here price test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, 5 times cannot break through, so you have to take some profit because you know this resistance is very strong. Okay, right? Imagine you have a buy position here. Okay, last time where did we buy? We bought at this ABCD move. Okay, this ABCD move gave us a good entry of maybe somewhere here 78.50. 78.50. okay, and then this 70.50 goes up to 80.50, so it's 200 pips. 200 pips win. You see there's a strong resistance level, you just take some profit, close half position, and balance, make it break even. Okay, now today, yeah, breaks even, close. But can you re-enter now? Yes, you can. You can still re-enter. Why not? 4 hour chart, what is the trend? Tell me, guys. After I draw these two lines, what is the trend for the 4 hour? Sideways or uptrend or downtrend? No, not downtrend, sideways, right? Equal highs, equal lows. And where's the position? Where is the position? Where is the location? It's very near to the bottom, right? So what you can do? You can buy, right? Why not buy? It is sideways. It is not a bearish trend. It's sideways. Previously this low, support, today support, pink bar. You can buy. Where does your stop loss go? Simple, here, right below this pin. So next time you won't ask me that, yeah, hi Jack, what is your stop loss? What is your target? Very easy. Okay, stop loss below this low because I don't want to see Aussie yen to make a lower low. So just below 78.50, 78.50, maybe 10 pips, maybe 78.05, or maybe you don't put it at the wrong number. I put at a 77.90. That'll be better. That'll be better. Okay, because you don't use the wrong number to set the stop loss. Okay, maybe 10 pips below the wrong number. Okay, yep. So here, this is my stop loss. If I enter now, do I have a 1 to 2 risk reward space to go? Yeah, I have, right? Because it's sideways, it have the chance to go back all the way to 80 again. It's sideways, right? Range, yeah. 1 to 2 is here. 1 to 3 is here. Yeah, still a chance for 1 to 2 trade or 1 to 3 trades. RSI oversold or not? Don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's hitting oversold, getting to the 20. RSI is okay for you to buy. You see here, when sideways you use RSI. When the RSI comes to the lower this level 20, and when price also comes to the level, the price always make a bounce. No, there's no divergence here. It's just sideways, just hitting the oversold low. Okay, no divergence yet. Okay, but for right now here you can buy. Stop loss 77.90. Okay, Sterling Aussie. We short here for the Libra pattern, right? This is a very nice Libra pattern here. it actually confluence with 0.618. Okay, that's why I short. First time I short at the pink bar here, 2.05. Okay, second time I short here is when the makes a Libra pattern here, same level, left tray. This is a left tray, this is a right tray here, and it just pulls back nicely to the 618. Okay, 618. So I short here. I short at 2.04, and just for 600 pips, right? 600 pips. Take some profit at 2.0. My second target will be somewhere here, 1.97. And today it just makes a pullback, right? Pullback. Price already in the zone. Watch the price action. What is the price action tell us? Guys, what does this price action tell us? Sterling Aussie is finished the correction, right? Sellers comes in. The buyers are gone. Breaks the trend. Breaks the correction. The correction is done. Right? Yeah, you can short. Why not? Previously support, now become resistance. You can short. Your first target is always here. First target, this is the first target. Okay, second target, use the previous low. Okay, maybe somewhere here, maybe even here. Where does your stop loss go? Above the pin. Above here, right? Because if price goes all the way to what 2.0078, it makes a higher high. No longer a bearish trend, it's a bullish trend. Right, so stop loss above here. You just measure your risk reward. If the risk reward is greater than 1 to 2, you do. If not, you don't. Okay. Okay, OLED. What is OLED? OLED is stocks, right? Universal Display Corp. Okay, Universal Display Corp. Okay. Daily chart. Bullish. Bullish market. Weekly. Wow, weekly also very bullish. What happened to this stock? Is it a technology stock? I don't know. It is a technology stock, I guess. Yeah, okay, maybe got some innovation or some good news, okay? But you don't buy, you don't chase, don't chase the price. Look here, weekly have a gap. We have a gap here, right? Gap up, and this whole week, the last whole week is a very bullish. Daily chart also bullish, but if you buy now, I mean, not looking so good, because I will rather buy when the price retest here, 63. Right? This is typically a breakout and retest trade. If the price give me this entry, I will consider to buy. But guess what? For people who bought at a 54, do you think they will take profit, or they will just continue hold at this level? They already earned $14, right? If you bought 1,000 one lot, 100 shares, you already earn 1,004, right? So you don't buy here, you buy at a pullback. Okay, yeah, pullback. You pull back to confirm that this level is broken, and you pull back here, you buy here. Sterling yen. Okay, sterling yen are, if you look at my charts, I see here what I think I update here. Yeah, I was stopped. Okay, trade was closed last week. Okay, and then if you look at the daily chart here, guys, you guys really need to look at the price action, okay, and the closing price, because you put a horizontal line here. Can anyone tell me that after 31st of May, did sterling yen break up? No, right? It still hold this resistance, right? So it is not, it reject nicely, still have this resistance. So you don't buy here, because this is on the top of the range. The range is here. Sterling yen also same thing. It's a range market, 151 to 162, huge range, 1,000 pips. Okay, so when price first come here, do you want to buy? No, it's still at the top. Sterling yen, you only consider to buy the price someone here or here. These are the zone that you want to buy, because in the middle, right now it's in the middle. In the middle, we don't trade. Okay, silver trying to break through. Really? Not really. Break through what? Silver is sideways, and weekly. Just pay attention to my trading views. I won't be a buyer. I won't consider to buy silver until it touches the midline. Okay, I won't consider to buy. Okay, no, I don't trade bitcoins. Never trade that. Yeah, I don't believe in bitcoins. Okay, butterfly pattern. Where is it? I don't see a butterfly pattern. So silver, just wait patiently to wait for it to touch the midline. Okay, it will be somewhere around 1576 to 1560. Yeah, this level will be crucial to the silver. Okay, and if you use the Fibonacci, you will know that the 50%, it just touched 15.8, 50%. Okay, but it's still a downtrend. Also, you don't buy now. Okay. Yeah, you can always wait for price action. That's always the good choice, because price action tells you that whether it has a stop loss, it has some resistance or support or not. Okay. Yeah, I don't trade XHP either. Okay. Okay, yeah, I think it's time is up, because it's already 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, maybe our webinar will end now. Okay, for the other pairs, Kiwi is going up, but still a downtrend. I will wait for the Kiwi to go back to this level and short 0.6883. Okay, this level. Okay, pressure, force breakout, pull back again, sell. Okay, yep. And today is 2016 June the 2nd. Okay, it's just 9 days before my training course. Okay, so I don't provide any signal service, because I don't want people who just follow my trade or just trade blindly without thinking, without knowing that the logic of the trade. Okay, but I do provide training course. Okay, and this training course, I will teach you all the strategy I use. Okay, it's a multiple strategy, a lot of things to cover. Teach from zero. Okay. Hi Bernard. Yeah, and Bernard is already signed up for the course. And yeah, I really respect Bernard, because Bernard is yeah. If you don't mind, I just release your age. Okay, Bernard is now 73 years old, and he still want to learn. He still want to improve his trading style, trading standard. Okay, it really inspires me that, yeah, you know, we should just keep moving. We should just get something that you never learned before, but it's going to work. Okay, so it's a 2 days course. Okay, located at Singapore. If you are near to Singapore, welcome to fly to Singapore and learn. If you're not in Singapore, it's okay, because all it will be some same situation here. I will use Zoom to make it a live casting streaming. Okay, for overseas students, and even for because of due to the time zone difference, you don't actually attend the full session. No worries. The recordings will be sent to you. Okay, so you can just you will actually get every single strategy, every single knowledge that I teach you. Okay, it's a comprehensive and it's a complete trading system for you to trade on your own, to trade calmly, to trade clearly, and you know what you're doing, and you can control your risk, control your profit. Okay, all right. So yeah, the sign up cost is here. This is a link. Okay, and welcome you guys to sign up the course. Okay, I think a lot of our students already make today. Just there's one person who shared his profit right after this. You see here, Edge by Edgar Ferrer. This person, this mate, he said, thanks to ideas and advice, 25 25.50% gain, 43 gain, 43 gain. You see, yeah, it's making money, right? So which means that my trading system is working, and you can make good profits if you trade it nicely. You only select the good trade, okay, and you make sure you stop. When you lose, you stop, and just lose 2%. Okay, this guy's risk reward ratio is really nice. Okay, draw down 2%, but he can earn 108%. 50 times 1 to 50 risk reward ratio. Congratulations. Okay, yeah. So if you already make money, why not taking a course just to become more professional, to think as a professional trader, and to trade like a professional trader. Okay, all right. Thanks all. Yeah, remember to join my Facebook group if you haven't done yet. Okay, this is my Facebook group. Okay, yeah, definitely. I mean, it is a lifelong learning curve. I will be accompanying you guys for at least 10 years, maybe. Yeah, because I'm still young. I'm only 31 years old. I think probably I will continue my education career here for another 10 or 20 years. Yeah, so what I can promise is I will accompany you guys if you really learn from me, and we just make friends, and we discuss the trading option together. We open our radar and just go to the market, select, or we find those good trades and make money. Simple. All right. Okay, see you guys. I really and Leo is our instructor, one of my Singapore instructor here. You can check his Facebook. Yeah, I think he just makes some announcement here, right? Can't remember where it is. Yeah, here. Yeah, you can check on his trading view. Yeah, he's now doing something similar to me. Yeah, his trading style is definitely learn from it, copy from me. But yeah, I'm glad that he can be progress so fast, because just 3 months ago when Leo approached to me, he said, yeah, teacher, I have just lost 20,000. Yeah, I blow up my account. Can I learn from you? Yeah, so I teach him. I tell him that what is exactly the same thing. Yeah, and now he's starting making money, starting making profit. You can see he's drawing his analysis is up to the standard. Okay, it's up to the standard. Okay, by using harmonics, by using Fibonacci's, by using structures, by using trend lines, everything. Okay, yeah. So you can actually contact him to get some feedback about what is your results of learning. Do you think it really works? Maybe. All right. Okay, thank you guys. So ends here. I will upload the recording to the YouTube. Okay, and I will still give the YouTube link in my Facebook. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.